Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today, we have the return of Florida window liquor I recently covered in A Judge Who Trolled.
Not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument? You needed some additional time to prepare?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
Well, they're both back, and today we get to see whether he's finally learned his sovereign citizen arguments or whether the judge gets to send him back to his cell for a little more study time. So let's begin.
Judge, I have brought to court with me during the recess the paperwork that was delivered by a private citizen for Mr. Morris. I have removed the binder clip that I had on it. There are no staples. There are no paper clips in the packet. It's simply a packet of prepared documents.
Okay. All right, Mr. Morris, now that you have your paperwork, anything else you want me to consider?
Yes, sir. I'm looking through it now, sir.
Okay.
I ain't seen it in a minute.
Geez, you would think his time in jail would at least give him enough opportunity to properly announce himself as the secured party creditor there by special appearance, not general, but no, he's still A__. Idiot now, he is about to have literally 3 minutes of silence while he tries to read whatever paperwork was just dropped off to him, because you know the get out of jail free key has got to be somewhere in all that. __. So I'm just going to skim through that part so you don't have to go get any face palm protection.
Mr. Common law trust. It's just speaking about the trust. This was the UCC.
I swear, soft heart, just keep getting funnier to me. The last time I covered this guy, I said that these types of sovereign citizens are my favorite ones, to cover the ones who know they are right but just can't tell you why they are.
Financial statement. It was a UCC statement with my own Alizé Morris and the trust name. The principal name was Octavius Alizé Taekwondo. And then it says, this is the entry of collateral by trustee / secure party credit on behalf of the trust estate. Is Octavius Alizé Taekwondo the trust in the commercial chambers under necessity to secure the rights, title, interest, and value therefore in, and the root or title from inception, as well as all property held in trust, including but not limited to DNA, cDNA, cell lines. There's I don't know what that word is right there.
Mr. Morris, I thought you said that they arrested the wrong person. They had the wrong person in jail. That's why I'm not sure what you're talking about some trust in your DNA and cDNA.
It says retina scans is what that said.
Okay.
Or retina scans.
Now, I don't want to spoil anything, but he thinks that you arrested the wrong person because he is the living man and not the all caps corporate fiction on your paperwork.
Hold on.
Do we need to check your fingerprints or scan your retina to verify? Is that what you're asking me to do?
Oh, can you read this? I can't really read it like that.
Let me see. Maybe I'm not sure what's going on. You told me you were not Octavius Morris. Then you just started reading something from a sheet of paper that says Octavius Elise Taquan Morris.
Okay.
So are you or are you not Octavius Elise Taquan Morris?
No, sir.
I guess the state doesn't have to prove you were driving without a license, especially since you just admitted to it on the record. Now the judge is about to read his paperwork real quick, and that's when he realizes he's dealing with a duster huffer.
All right, Ms. Smithy.
My name, this is right here, sir. It's on. You probably can have a good chance reading it. Right here. This right here. Bill of service, tort and violation. I just had a judge look at this. I can't read all this stuff. Not to you. Alizé Morris, secure party, Billy, and principal of you or the agent fail not to, I don't know what that word is right there. To oath that should be called to answer before one God and the most supreme.
I can't hear you, Mr. Moore.
All this,
Oh, sir, I want to call you Mr. Morris if that's not your name.
You know, I really appreciate judges like him. The guy says that the wrong person was arrested. He has some paperwork and an argument to make, so let him speak. But once you realize that the arguments are nothing more than sovereign dog water, shut it down immediately. So no more the day's judicial economy is wasted on living brain.
Let me ask you this, sir.
yes, sir.
Are you saying, I'm looking at a complaint affidavit here, and on December 5th, according to this complaint affidavit, Gulf County Sheriff's Department pulled you over while you were driving and arrested you, and they ran your name, Z Morris, came back as a convicted felon. And are you telling me that your name is not Zatavius Morris, or you're not the person they arrested on December 5th? What are you telling? Did you give a false name? What are you telling me?
I ain't give no false name, Your Honor.
How did they get that name, Zatavius Elise Morris? Well, you don't answer that question. That probably has to do with, I'm trying to figure out, maybe Mr. Hill, you could help me.
All right, so it looks like the 27th of June will be our next meetup. Now, he has his paperwork in about a month and a half to learn how to read. So I'm going to put my confidence at about 0% that he'll be able to self-lawyer his way out of this one. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.
He's saying that the Sheriff's Department arrested the wrong person?
Your Honor, in as much as I can.
Well, don't disclose any confidential, privileged information.
I raised issues when I had my pretrial discovery meeting with Mr. Morris pertaining to this case, because that's the only one I've got discovery on.
Yes, sir.
And I've done some independent research into that. Mr. Morris, or this individual, has this information that he's saying that he is not the person.
I'll take a look at whatever you want me to. I'm looking at the complaint affidavit. They said they had your driver's. They said you have your driver's license, and they ran your driver's license with that name.